We have quite a lot of innovations, but all the innovations have one common, and this common thing is that all the innovations really are related to solutions on circular economy. Beside of that, yes, we have innovations to improve our machines, make the machines more reliable, make the machines faster, make the products thinner. But at the end, circular economy is the main subject on this case show. To act sustainable means at Reifenhäuser that first of all our production of machines should be sustainable, that we look that our machines are produced with the lowest amount of energy. Well, we have to take care with the oil. We have to be sustainable with our technology to build machines. But also the products that we are producing should be sustainable. No, they should not be, they will be sustainable. And our R&D work is exactly in this direction. Sustainability and recyclability will be and are the main targets we are looking for. Reifenhäuser is a good partner to solve the problem of recyclability because we have in-house all the technologies that are needed to find or to design machines and to design the products. Can we do this alone? No. Do we want to partner? Do we have to partner with raw material producers, with processors, and even with brand owners? Yes, we will and we have to.